Okay, this is Venkat from Venkatfin.com. I've been doing term insurance and health insurance consulting with a no spam policy, with a no sales process as such. I'll try to be very, very kind and humble as far as I could, because this is an industry where if you want to buy a term insurance, you can just go online and buy. That is the easiest route. But the thing is that people have been doing lots of mistakes. Especially if you are paying a hefty premium for this kind of term insurance product, it's much better to consult before you go ahead. That is my humble request. But remember, go to venkatfin.com, see the terms and conditions. If you're okay with that, you could always message me any time of the day. Then on a mutually convenient time, we will discuss. I need at least half an hour to 1 hour's time. Okay. So with that said, a like to this video will be very, very helpful. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. A like will help me to take this video to few more people. Remember one thing, insurance is an industry wherein eventually to whom you bought the product, they should support you for lifetime. Okay, remember that. Even if you consult me, maybe some people consult me and they will buy online to the bank, whatever it is. So eventually, who is issuing the product, they should support you for lifetime. That is what I've written in this disclaimer. Okay, Tata AIA's pure term insurance Maha Raksha Supreme Select. There is another product called Sampurna Raksha Supreme that does not have financial underwriting issues. There, even if your annual income is more than 5 lakh, you can apply for that product. If your annual income is more than 15 lakh, and you have to prove that with the proper income proof, ITR or proper salary statement. If you are able to prove that your annual income is more than 15 LPA, then you can apply for Tata AIA Maha Raksha Supreme Select. Okay. Before that, let me do this intro because sometimes I may not be reachable on call. So the best way to book a consulting session is to either save my number and WhatsApp me, or if you are not able to see my WhatsApp number, message me. A very humble request: if you think only online platform is important for me, a bank is important for me, I want to buy from them only, then please don't disturb others. Everyone struggles to earn their living, so value my time. Okay, proceed with that. Okay. Why people consult? Because I have reviewed a product after people have bought a product, even after 1 year or 2 years. When they are paying the second premium, they will consult me and I will be telling them, okay, you would have structured the product in this a different way. Then I would have given them, when we are speaking based on the health status, based on their age, based on their income status. See, consulting session is specifically for you as a person. This is a product offered by Tata AIA. And who you are is what we speak, and whether this product is eventually right for you or you have to buy a better product. That is what we speak. And especially people who believe that I'm paying a hefty premium, they are consulting. Okay. Because most important thing that people fail to understand is that in the same company, you have to analyze 2-3 products, see alternatives, and without a sales process. Without a sales process. Because when you register anywhere, people say that they won't spend, they will call. So if you wanted to learn the proper alternatives and then take 10 days to 30 days time and then only proceed, then you could consult. Okay, this is my process. Okay, now I will get into the product. This is Tata AIA's Maha Raksha Supreme Select. One of the reason I realized people don't consult, don't buy a term plan is exclusive from me was because online platforms sometimes they offer 10%, first year premium discount, 10 to 15%. So whatever it is that it is available online, I am trying to match that with me. When they structure a product the way we mutually understand. Otherwise, sometimes I will encourage people to buy online itself after the consulting session. Okay. Now, because why I'm saying this, just because you want a 10% discount, you should not think that I don't give, because recently one of my clients said, no, you're taking responsibility. I'm okay with 5%. The people have been kind to me, but whoever asked for it, I'm happy to return that. Okay. Tata AIA Maha Raksha Supreme Select will see the key features in this. There are a couple of products. One is Life Secure option and Life Secure Plus option. Okay. Mostly people in the corporate sector, they have an assumption that, only the life secure options, the pure term insurance where you don't get the return of premium, that is right for them. During the consultation session, we will discuss on what is eventually is going to be beneficial for you. It depends upon your age, how many years you are buying the policy. So based on that, we have to decide on that. But basically, Life Secure Plus is an option where after the particular term, you get the return of premium. Okay. Now, FlexiPay benefit, this is a very useful benefit. let's say 5 years you have to mandatorily, let's say your premium paying term is 15 years or 20 years or sometimes 12 years. That's the standard. Okay. Let's say you are you are paying the premium for 5 years. The sixth year, you are not able to pay the premium. You don't have money. You can arrange next year, but not this year. The problem with the term insurance is that you have 30 days grace period. The moment your 30 days grace period lapses, after that, the 1 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, nothing will be given to the family. But this flexi benefit is certainly a good feature, but you can utilize it once every 5 years in the policy, whole policy premium paying term period, which is like first 5 years you have to pay the premium. In the sixth year onwards, any year you are not able to pay the premium, you can uh, email TATA AIA team and then tell them that I want to use this FlexiPay benefit at this point of time. Next year, I will pay the premium. And they are not charging any fee or something like that for that when you pay the premium next year. Okay. Instant payout. Okay. This is also, see, industry is, if other companies offering discount, I am also offering discount. That is how Tata started issuing discount in this product, which I am trying to match, because otherwise I cannot survive. You cannot survive in this business. And I also want to be kind to people who are trusting me. Okay. That is another thing. Surviving is secondary, but why should someone get through me is very, very important to me. They are considering this human being. Again, this feature is also available in other life insurance companies. So Tata is also trying to match that, which is like the moment the family is intimating the life insurance company that some critical issue or some death has happened to the policy holder, then Tata AIA within that week they will be releasing that first 3 lakh payout, instant payout. Remember, again they will be going through investigation. All the investigation process will take place for the other, let's say 3 crore, 5 crore, whatever, to issue that. Having said that, if there is a fraudulent activity, then this 3 lakh also they will get it back. Remember that. This is the same issue with all the life insurance companies. Okay. See, I don't believe in claim settlement ratio data when it comes to any company for that matter. This is just a data. Why people consult me, because some people will have health status, some people for their particular health income status, they will be thinking, I'm an NRI, should I buy here, should I buy in my country, what happens if I go to this country? So all this data they get. On top of that, CSR is only a data. It's a generic data for you to get the belief system in that life insurance company. Did you buy that product properly? One of my clients recently who said, no, it's okay, Venkat, I don't need 10%, give me just 5% discount. He was very, very right in telling his health status to the life insurance company. The doctor clearly noted it. When I reviewed the policy, because people after buying the product also, they will sometimes pay me a consulting fee and review the product through me. So when I reviewed his product policy document, it was very clear, I cannot ask for more from a client, So that is very, very important. Whether the claim is going to be perfectly issued to you or not, that depends upon how you are communicating your data to the life insurance company now and also during the death, how the family is providing the documents being asked by the life insurance company. Okay. Riders, okay, this is what it is. People mandatorily, repeatedly buy riders, unnecessary riders. We have to try to buy riders based on your other products you have. What products, what kind of riders you are having in your other life insurance products, or what products you are having in your health insurance products. Based on that, I will issue riders to my clients. And what is really beneficial, I will issue that. Okay. So nobody in this income status is using the old tax regime these days. But if you're using in the 80C section, you will be getting up to 2.5 lakhs tax benefit. Okay. So minimum 18 to 80, 65, I've issued term insurance to someone who's 48, even 55 years old can certainly consider a term insurance. Just that your income proof and health should be quite good, quite okay. Okay. And the premium paying term, I request you to be on your own, but remember, try to finish the relationship, the responsibility of paying the premium based on your budget. Try to finish it as early as possible. That is my humble request. But most of the people in the corporate sector, NRIs are understanding that. They are not understanding that. But North India, some people are clear, they mostly choose 12 pay or 15 pay. Okay, that is what it is. When you go through the consulting session, remember, we will speak for half an hour to 1 hour, answer or clarify all your doubts. I issue this product through a proper financial technology company. So even if I die, you are going to be having another layer on top of the life insurance company, which is actually essential for you. Someone else should speak for you other than the life insurance company itself. So that is the most important. And then all the premium you are only going to pay through us through to the official website. So there is no difference between buying through in an official website and also buying through us. So message me any time of the day. All I have reviewed hundreds of term insurance products. People do mistakes when they do it on their own. So if to avoid that, you can always uh, uh, consider consulting only if you like it. Some people, even after consulting, the way they structure the product, if I feel okay, they are better, they are made for online platform, I will myself encourage them to go and buy online platform. Just that after that, I will not, I will tell them that, oh, better don't message me hereafter. That is it, guys. Message me any time of the day. Mostly people from Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala, some people from Mumbai, Gujarat, and the Northeast, Kolkata, they are consulting me. Some people from Delhi also. So, I get calls from across India. One or two people only speak per day. So to avoid that, this is a product where you have to have mutual understanding between you and the client. So then only I will issue the product, because we take responsibility for the client's family. And that is why I issue it through a financial technology company, because they have a 3 layer of support. So if you want better customer experience, better support layer, then you can always message me any time of the day and we will have a consulting session. Thank you so much and good luck to you. You can just go to venkatfin.com and see the terms and conditions on how the session works. Good luck to you.